out the way, bitch, get out the way. I said move, bitch, get out the way. Get out the way, bitch, get out the way. Whoa.
At this point, you should know what happens every time when you hear this song. It's Masamala Capital. Today I've entered some sales on gold, stop losses in place, and we're anticipating the market to go down. And as I said earlier, you know what's about to go down. If you don't know what's about to go down, that means you're new to the channel. Please like the video. Please follow me if you're new. For those that are new, welcome to the capital. Let's figure out how this turns out. Alright, after they've took me out, I've entered some sales again. At this point, it was at the previous day's New York session, because where I entered initially, it was 2 days London highs, and now it seems like they were ready to retrace just after taking out the previous day's New York's high. So nice push immediately after to the downside that I'm happy about, which then correspond with my initial entry. So still entered sales, stop loss in place. My take profit would be initially all the way down there. Then I entered a second position, and at this point I was confident that they were ready to drop. As always, you know, it's always about taking those reversals after the previous day or the current day's previous sessions high were taken. So that's why we took the entry. That's why we always take the entry. Nice push at this point. That first trade was so sniper. I was like excited immediately when I see the market retracing just after the entry, and I knew that we were going all the way to the downside. So added another position. At this point, I'm willing to, keep scalping it as it goes down. There we go. Nice momentum coming in, so I took those locked in profit on the previous entry or the first entry that I took, and right now I'm just gonna ride it all the way down, and if it goes a bit high, I'm gonna add in other positions as well to just continue going with it. All right, added another 2. At this point I'm just holding, and let's see how this one turns out. Okay, I had to quickly check the long term. If you were checking like the daily, you would see that there was like a huge wick on the daily, and I was like, this is gonna come back. Beside the strategy that I'm using, I was confident in that candle coming back, and it did exactly just that. So I was more excited when I saw it go down. I was like, I knew this was gonna happen, and it was gonna be a W day. I want to quickly say also, which this has been happening a couple of times. It's not that sometimes you're a bad trader, but then your timing at point is a bit off. This is why you can't go full margin, because then you wouldn't have the opportunity to re-enter. I've entered, re-entered again, scaled in, took some position, scalped. Right now I have one running, and it's definitely going to be a W day because the profit is logged, and I'm just anticipating that it pushes down a bit. Otherwise, I'm going to be out of the trade. Thanks for watching. Please follow me for the new guys. Like the video, leave a comment for your guy. As always, Masamala Capital. Let's see each other tomorrow. I'm going to try and lock it a bit. Otherwise, I'm out. Danko.